We were finally called to come back for Mallory and her kitties. There were 2 who survived, and you can see they're so active already. Mallory was still weak and tired from the surgery since aside from the C-section, her uterus also needed removal. Her kittens are so eager to be with her, but we were advised to not let them sleep together since Mallory can accidentally put weight on the babies and suffocate them. Her bills and medicine were quite expensive, and we could really use some help from you kind people. We finally got to take them home. I hope Mallory can recover and regain her strength so she can be there for her 2 lovely babies.